Hello, Namaste, welcome back to my class. Before starting to the class, I want to tell about myself. I am your teacher, My name is Sudha, I am your teacher, My name is Sudha, hello dear, what's your name? Hello dear, what's your name? Say your name. My name is. See, if anybody asks you like this type of questions, you have to say the answer. My name is. Say your name. See, how are you? Otherwise, how old are you? If anybody asks that type of questions, how can you give your answer? I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. Like that you have to give answer. See, before going to that, if you want to talk with anybody, how can you tell ourselves to them? So, how can you introduce yourself? Today, I will tell you how can you introduce yourself in front of others. That is belongs to the lesson myself. The lesson name is myself. See, how can here my means ourselves. How can you tell ourselves with to all others? First of all, before going to that, I want to sing a poem again. That is a little funny, a little smart, a little genius, a piece of art. Though I am naughty, I am God's child, and I love myself for that. I love myself for that. At times I cry, at times I love, at times I err, I don't know why. Though I'm naughty, I am God's child. I love myself for that. I love myself for that. See, first of all, we have to love ourselves. See, how can we tell, otherwise how can we express ourselves to others? First of all, today I will tell you. The lesson name is myself. First of all, before introducing this topic, I want to tell a small story related to this topic. Here, one girl is there. Her name is Suma. Here, Suma is saying about herself to ours. See, she is saying, my name is Suma. See, if anybody then she asks, what is your name? Then how can you tell? My name is Jatin. Otherwise, my name is Sriharsha. Like that you have to say your name. See, your names can tell in this way only. My name is something, your name. You can say your name. If anybody asks this type of question, you have to say the answer in this way. And coming to that, and she is telling, I am a girl. So this is belongs to our gender. If you are a boy, then you can say, I am a boy. If you are a girl, then you can say, I am a girl. First of all, my name is Suma, and after that she is saying, I am a girl. What is the spelling of girl? Girl. And after she is saying, I am 5 years old. Here, years. Years means, old means here, age. She is telling about her age. I am 5 years old. If anybody asks to you, how old are you? Then you have to say, you too, I am 5 years old. Otherwise, if you are 6 years, you can say, I am 6 years old. And after that, Shuma is saying, I have a brother. Means your siblings. And after that, she is asking to her classmates, do you have brother? Or do you have any sister? Then, how can you say your answer? I have a brother. Otherwise, I have a sister. You can say in that way. How can you say that? I have a brother, otherwise I have a sister. And after that, Suma is saying, I love my parents. I love my parents and I live with my family. I live with my family. For family, in after classes we have to learn that. Understood? I live with my family. And after that she is saying, I am studying class 1. I am studying class 1. Here, who is saying? Suma is saying to us, I am studying class 1. If anybody asks to yourself, which class are you studying? Then you have to say in this way only. I am studying class 1. And after that, she is saying, I live where she is living. I live in Hyderabad here. Suma is saying, not me. Hyderabad. Suma is saying, I am living in Hyderabad. But where do you live? I live in Chipurpalli or Gargadi. I live in Chipurpalli. Chipurpalli. Chipurpalli or Gargadi. If anybody asks to you can say, where do you live? I live in Chipurpalli or Gargadi. Chipurpalli or Gargadi. And Suma is saying, I am studying in Delhi Public School. Suma is saying, but she is asking her friend, what is your school name? What is your school name, children? What is your school name? My school name is Abhyas School. Abhyas. Abhyas School. Abhyas School is located in Gargadi. And our school is very beautiful. Am I right? Yes. My school name is Abhyas School. If anybody asks to you, what is your school name? Then you have to say, my school name is Abhyas School. And I love my school. I love my school. And Suma is saying, my favorite color is green. My favorite color is, she is saying, green. And what is your favorite color, children? My favorite color is red. Otherwise, my favorite color is pink. So, you have to say in that way. Understood? And coming to that, she is saying, I have a pet dog. Its name is Snoopy. And if you have any pet, then you also say like that only. I have a pet. I have a pet. For funny only you can keep a pet animal. Understood? I have a pet puppy. So if you have any parrot, then you can say I have a parrot. Like that. And after that, Suma is saying, my favorite game is skipping. Skipping. Do you know how to play skipping? Yes. And she is saying, my favorite game is skipping. And what is your favorite game? My favorite game is running. Otherwise, which games you like most? You have to say that game name only. And coming to that last, Suma is saying, what she is saying, do you know? And she is telling, see, I want to become. Become means what here? When she is grow up, now she is a small 5-year small child. But when she is turned into an adult, she want to become a teacher. She want to become a teacher. What do you want to be? I want to become a doctor. Otherwise, I want to become an engineer. Like that, you have to say what is your aim or goal. So, in this way only we have to say ourselves to others. Understood, children? First of all, we have to say our name. My name is Jatin. Otherwise, my name is Palvesh. My name is Hamalata. Like that, you have say. And the second thing is I am a girl, otherwise I am a boy. I am 5 years old, otherwise I am 6 years old. And after that I have a brother, otherwise I have a sister. And I live with my family. I live with my family. And I love my family very much. And I love my parents. And after that she is saying, I am studying in class 1. And my favorite color is, she is saying red. And my pet name is Snoopy, or I have a pet dog. And after that my favorite game is skipping. Otherwise, if your favorite game is running, then you have to say my favorite game is running. And after that, my school name is Abhyas School. My school name is Abhyas School. And I live in Garvidi or Chipurpalli. And after that, I want to become, when I grow up, what do you want to be? I want to become a teacher, otherwise an engineer, otherwise a doctor. So you have to say about yourself in front of others. According to our lesson, so Suma went her home. And coming to our lesson, here one boy is there. His name is Ramu. His name is Ramu. One day Ramu met his friend Naina. Naina, N-I-N-A, Naina. And on that day only he is met. One boy name is Ravi. And one more friend is Anshul. Anshul. See, one day Ramu is one boy. He met Naina, Ravi and Anshul. They are very close friends. And first of all, Ramu is saying about himself. My name is Ramu and I am a boy and I am studying class 1. And let us, he is meeting his friends Naina, Ravi and Anshul. So first of all, one by one they are introducing themselves. First Naina, what she is telling, do you know? My name is Naina. My N-A-M-E name is Naina. And do you know children, Naina is a girl. I am a girl and I am studying class 1. Children, remember, see, always I will come with yam. And I am studying class 1. I am studying class 1. And after that she is saying, I live with my parents. I live with my parents. Naina is saying, I live with my parents. And second friend name is Ravi. What is his second friend name? Ravi. And one more here, Naina is saying, I like to sing. I like to sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Always she wants to like sing a songs. And coming to that other friend is Ravi. What is his name? R-A-V-I, Ravi. And he is telling about himself to Ramu. My name is Ramu. My N-A-M-E name is Ravi. He is saying to Ramu, my name is Ravi and I am studying class 1. And he is saying, I live. I live with my parents and grandparents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents and grandparents. G-R-A-N-D, grandparents. Do you know who are our grandparents? Say, come on children. See, our parents are called as our grandparents. Example, see, our grandfather, father's father we called as grandfather and mother's mother we called as grandmother. Okay? And Ravi is saying, I live with my parents and grandparents. And he is saying, I like to play. Anshul. Here, Anshul means see, he is also saying, my name is Anshul. My name is Anshul. And he is saying again, I am studying class 1. And he is saying, I live with my parents and grandparents and cousins. Parents and cousins. Do you know which numbers are we called as our cousins? See, the children of our aunt and uncles are called our cousins. Okay? See, Anshul is saying, my name is Anshul and I live with my parents, grandparents and cousins. Cousins meaning is the children of our aunt and uncle we called as cousins. See, here 4 members are studying class 1. Now, I want to ask one question. Which class are you studying now? Say the answer. I am studying class 1. And what is his 3 friends' names? Naina, Ravi and Anshul. Naina, what she want to become? See, what she is liking most? She like to sing. And she is living with her parents. And coming to Ravi, he is living with his parents and grandparents. And he like to play. And Anshul is living with parents, grandparents and cousins. And he like to be, I like to draw or dance. He is saying about himself. Understood, children? See, based on this, I want to ask some questions about yourself according to our textbook. See, now I will explain the exercise in our textbook. Textbook exercise I will explain now. Exercise number 1. See, I will give some blanks to you. See, I am a girl or boy. So, what you belongs to that you have to tick upon that. I am a girl. See here I am a girl. So that only I am keeping tick here. I am a girl. Parvish, if you are a boy, you have to tick that I am a boy. And second one, I have long hair. I have long hair. Long or short they given. Short hair. See where it is located? Upon our head. This we call as our hair. This hair is in which color? Black color. For grandparents it is in white color. And I have long hair. But if the boy has very short hair only. See, if you are a girl, you have to keep the tick mark upon long. See, I have long hair. But if you are a boy, you have to tick I have short hair. I have short hair. And coming to that, I have straight hair. Straight or curly hair. Straight or curly hair. See, straight hair means our hair is like lines only. But if your hair is curly, then your hair turns like rings only. See, like some noodles only. So with this we called as curly hair. So if you have soft hair, then you can take I have straight hair. But if you have this type of Maggi noodles, you can take I have curly hair. I have curly hair. Next, fourth one, my eyes are. What is our eyes color, children? Black. They given black, blue or green. See, once you see your picture in that mirror, see what is the color of your eyes. Come on, say the answer. Yes, my eyes are black in color. Black in color. What is the spelling of black? B-L-A-C-K, black. This is the one exercise in our textbook. And Exercise 2. Exercise 2. What is that? First of all, see, my name is, you have to write my name is dash. And second one, I am dash years old. I am dash years old. And here, see, we are discussing about Ramu. My name is Ramu. He is 5 years old. He is 5 years old. And I live in Garvidi. I live in Garvidi. 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 And I study in class 1. Class 1. And fifth one, I study in, which school you are studying? I study in Abhyas School. Abhyas. Abhyas. School. Abhyas School. And my class teacher name is, what is your class teacher name? My class teacher's name. Do you know? At starting only I told my name to you. What is my name? See, I am your class teacher. My name is Sudha. My class teacher name is Sudha. You have to fill the blanks like this. Understood? And coming to that, you have to tell about your likes and dislikes. And at last, I want to give some questions to you. Understood? See, last exercise number 3. See, first one, Naina likes to dash. They given draw, sing. See, what she is liking to sing. You have to keep tick mark upon that. And second one, dash likes to paint. Dash likes to paint. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Who is like to paint? Anshul. Anshul is likes to paint the pictures or drawing. And third one, Ravi lives with his parents and grandparents. What is the spelling of grandparents? Grandparents. Grandparents. And last one, Naina dash likes to play games. Who likes to play games? I told to you, Ravi likes to play games. Ravi. This exercise belongs to our textbook. See, Naina likes to sing and Anshul likes to paint or draw. Ravi lives with his parents and grandparents. And Ravi likes to play games. So this is the exercise belongs to our this particular lesson. And last, and one more exercise I will give my own. That is, write about yourself. Write about yourself. How can you write? Write about yourself in this way. Understood, children? I hope all you understood about this topic myself. Once again, if anybody asks to you, say about yourself, then first of all, immediately you have to say your name, then which class are you studying and where do you live, and say your school name and what do you want to become. Yeah, so you have to say in that way. At that time, they will feel very happy. Okay, children? Will you? I hope you all will follow my words. And after that, you have to write yourself in the one notebook only. Understood? Thank you.